What are you doing, Jenna? What are you doing, Jenna?
I'm sweating.
You're sweating.
I'm sweating. Are you taping me?
Why are you sweating?
I'm sweating in my jacket. I'm playing with you.
Guys, who you're talking to? No one likes you. I got the camera. And now Jeremy. Shh, 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 shh.
I can't keep turning the heads off.
Hang on.
I'll let you put it as long as you don't choke me. How do you do
I have to sneeze. In 3. I have a double chin.
My dad's studying stuff. Oh, yeah. Me and Justin just had
I don't like my friends. They're kind of weird.
Oh, Chrissy, watch. Move out of the way now.
Tango. Oh, and then she goes over there. And then she goes.
If you guys knock that over.
Wait, what are we doing?
To the hidden Fergie. I'm gonna come and turn around. Just kidding.
Don't let it go up too many.
Don't run a dance.
Tangle like
I guess I never had to sneeze.